Hi, hello everyone. So now let us discuss about table of contents. Where we use this table of contents? Where we'll see this word table of contents. In many of the textbooks, the first page is table of contents. What is the purpose of this table of contents? Table of contents is nothing but unit name or chapter name or session name is there. After that, page number is there. Unit name or session name or chapter name and the respective page numbers are there. That we are calling as the table of contents. It is there in most of the textbook. In first page only this table of contents is there. What is the purpose of this one? To move the, suppose we are preparing a notebook, we are preparing a textbook. In Microsoft Word we are preparing a textbook which is of 1000 pages. In that textbook we have so many units are there. Suppose we want to move from a 50 page to 17th page, 50 page to 17th page, or 70 page 17th page to 80 page, like that. That means suppose I want to move 9th unit which is in 70th page, which is in 70th page. Yes, we can directly move. Why? Because if we know the page number we can move directly. Suppose we don't know the page number, what happens? Suppose if we don't know the page numbers, so we can move, but it takes much time. If we have table of content means we can move in very less time. That is the purpose of this table of contents. Now let us see how to prepare this format's table of contents in Microsoft Word. For this purpose, here I have taken a document which is of more than 10 pages. You see, which is of more than 10 pages. For example, I have taken this document. In that we have metals, non-metals, like that I have taken one document. So first of all, for preparing the table of contents, we have to select these headings, and in home tab we have styles group is there. We have to give this heading 1 or heading 2 to this headings. I am taking heading 1. Again I am selecting this, all the headings we have to give the headings here. Again for this also you have to give the styles compulsory. These headings we have to give compulsory for each and every heading which are in the document. Select, okay, right, I have given. Now see here, now we have to click on references tab. After that, table of contents group, click on references tab. After the table of contents group, in that table of contents option, here we have, see here, contents is there, and automatic table 1 is contents and automatic table is table of contents. Just click here, table of contents. What happened? See here in the first page, table of contents came. See, metals is in first page, non-metals in second page, acids are in third page, bases are in fourth page, photosynthesis on fifth page, like that. If we want to give anything styles for this, just go to home page. Again in this home page here, change styles is there now. Here style set, yes, we can give the different styles like this. Here change style, first you have to give select. After that, change style set. Suppose if you want to give this style, yes, it is in this style. Okay, and see here, after oxygen, listen carefully, Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 have given. Metals also, no? Right. So here total 8 I have given. Only 8 headings I have given. No? Suppose now I am updating. See here. Suppose after oxygen here, no heading is there. See, you observe here. Hydrogen, oxygen. After oxygen, the next page. Now I am adding. Next one. See here. Suppose I am adding gems. I am adding G, M. See here. G, M. Yes, gems. G, M. Yes, gems I am adding here, and again I am giving heading 1. Okay, so now you observe here. You observe here. Automatically, what happen? If we want to update the table of content here, gems I have given, but here not came now. Just select this one. Okay. After that, references tab, table of contents. Sorry. Select this one. No need of references tab. Right click. See here, update. See here, update table is there now here. Update table and update entire table. See here, gems also added. That means for updation also, select the table of content, go to references. In the table of content, here update table option is there. Now if you click on this update tab table, automatically that whatever the headings you have given, that also updated. So this is about table of contents.